Okay. Kylie,
Hi.
Okay. Hi guys. Today.
Just go.
No. Okay. So today me and my sister are going to be doing the Charlie challenge, and that's where you have 2 pencils and a cross shape, and we have a paper yes, no, no, yes, a cross on it, and let's just move into it. Okay. So I'm gonna start by putting my pencils on it because I just moved them. Okay.
I gotta go bathroom.
That was TMI, but she's gonna go to the bathroom. Okay, so we're going to put. I already just did. So I'm going to just say Charlie, Charlie, and the pencils are gonna move. And then at the end, I'm gonna say Charlie, will you kill us? And if they move or not, I don't know, because I've never done this challenge. Okay, Kylie, are you almost done?
Almost.
Okay, because the video's just started.
Okay.
Okay. Charlie, Charlie, are you here? Charlie, Charlie, are you here? What the frick just happened? Okay, wait.
Which one?
Okay, I'm gonna try this one more time. See if it does it. And then I'm gonna say, will you wanna kill us? Okay. I'm gonna move this out of my way. Okay. Charlie, Charlie, are you here? It did the same thing again. Okay, I'm gonna try it one more time with different pencils. I'm gonna do it with a long pencil and a little pencil and see what it does. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I forgot. I'm just doing 2 pencils like this. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay. Charlie, Charlie, are you here? Here, wait, I'm going to show you this out. Because the wind keeps blowing on it, and you guys probably think the wind's blowing. So. Charlie, Charlie, are you here? Charlie, Charlie, are you here? Charlie, Charlie, are you here? Why does it keep doing the same exact thing? I'm gonna try. Oh my goodness, who did that? Oh my god. Okay. I'm going to do. Kyler, come on.
No, not yet. I'm straightening my hair.
Okay. Okay, my sister's straightening her hair, so it's not gonna come over here. She was just over here a second ago, but I don't know where she went. Okay, what? Kylie, are you almost done?
I said I'm straightening my hair.
Oh, I thought you said something else. Okay, never mind. The music. Again. The demon from the soul is getting to me. I'm joking about that, but I just wanted to make something funny. So fishy. Okay. Well, my channel is silly, so it has to be silly. So
I was blowing on it.
this video was just a joke, and I just want to say something. Charlie, Charlie, you aren't real.
No, but I don't actually know where the music's coming from. That's
Me
kind of
neither.
weird.
So,
Does it like every time it does that?
like, I don't know where the music is coming from at all. No clue. It's starting again, Kylie. Should we check the house?
I think it's coming from your closet.
Should we check it?